Kishore from 5th standard. Today my topic is Rajasthan. My favorite state is Rajasthan. I like it most. The popular food of Rajasthan is dal bati churma. The popular dance of Rajasthan is Ghumar. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Jaipur is known as the Pink City. Thank you.
I am Kinjal from 5th daily class. Today my topic is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island is a union territory of India. 572 islands, of which 37 are islands. 37 are habited islands. Her favorite dress is Zarawas clothes. Her favorite dish is seafood. Her favorite dance and music is Nicobari dance. Her favorite religion is Annamese. Her favorite language is Hindi and English. Thank you. Good morning friends, this is Avalpreet Singh from 5th standard. Today I will give presentation on the topic of Rajasthan. Firstly, I will tell you about their dress. Men wear dhoti, banda and angarkha. Women wear ghagra, choli and odnis. Secondly, I will tell you about their food. Dal bati churma, pakodis and gatte ki kadi. Thirdly, I will tell you about their main language. Their main language are English and Hindi, but their regional language are Marwari, Mewati, Mewari. Lastly, I will tell you about their religions. They worship God Agni, Shiva, Sun, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am and dear friends. My name is Myra from 5th standard. Today I am going presentation on chapter number 8. In this chapter number 8, have a topic named was Andaman Nicobar Island. In this Andaman Nicobar Island have a topic named was dance and music. The island celebrate most Indian festivals like Durga Puja, Pongal, Onam, Janmashtami, Holi, Diwali. Christmas and Good Friday with dance and music. Nicobar dance is the traditional dance of Andaman and Nicobar Island.
Good afternoon to all of you. This is Sia from 5th standard. I am giving presentation of Rajasthan food. Having Rajasthan is favorite destination for Indian as well as foreign tourists. The dishes of Rajasthan is mainly depended pulses, crumbs, beans and spices. The traditional dishes of Rajasthan is gatte ki kadi, pakodi and dal bati churma. These dishes are based on chana and pulses. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Yashpreet. My topic is dance and music of Rajasthan. Rajasthan celebrates life with dance and music. The songs of poets like Kabir, Meera of are important part of the folk music of Rajasthan. Some Rajasthani communities like Bhatas, Charnas, Bhopal, like and Dholis are famous musicians. The popular dance of Rajasthan like Ghumar, Kachi, Godi, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, everybody. Today's our presentation is on Chapter 8, Respecting Regional Differences, subject of SST. In this chapter, we have two topics. First is Andaman and Nicobar Island, and second is Rajasthan. Andaman and Nicobar Island is a group of 572 islands. In olden times, the islanders lived in tree houses, huts or thatched huts, and caves also. The islanders celebrate most Indian festivals like Durga Puja, Pongal, Panguni, etc. The traditional dance of Andaman and Nicobar island is the Nicobari dance, and this is the Nicobari dance. The most common language is in Andaman and Nicobar Island is the Hindi and English. Our second topic is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a favorite destination for India as well as foreign tourists. They are attracted to its colorful history, beautiful art, architecture, folk, music, dances, and handicrafts.
My name is Vanshikar, I study in 5th standard. Today I am discussing about Rajasthan. Rajasthan are master in the art of tie and dye. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Jaipur is the famous as Pink City. The main language of Rajasthan is Hindi. The popular dance of Rajasthan is Ghumar, Bhat, Kachi Godi. Thank you. Have a nice day.